Welcome to WizzKidz TV. We have a noisy pop-up book about dinosaurs. Let's learn about dinosaurs and listen to different sounds. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth between 243 and 231 million years ago. They became extinct around 66 million years ago. This means they lived on Earth far longer than they've been extinct. That's a very long time. These are plant-eating sauropods, such as the Brachiosaurus, were the largest of the dinosaurs. Many plant-eating dinosaurs, such as Parasaurolophus and Stegosaurus, had long necks and strong hind legs to reach the leaves in tall trees. The scientific names of dinosaurs describe how they looked or how they might have behaved. Some are named after the person who found them, the remains, or the place where they were found. Many dinosaur names are tricky tongue twisters. Try saying Dilophosaurus. Can you pronounce Brachytrachelophon? It's very hard. And Stentosauruses. I can't say it. Can you try? They're tongue twisters, very hard to say. This is a woolly mammoth and a saber-toothed tiger. They were prehistoric mammals. Woolly mammoths were about the same size as today's elephants. They used their tusks and trunks to defend themselves from predators. Look how tall and long the tusks are. Saber-toothed tigers hunted in packs. They hunted large animals such as mammoths. They were about the same size as a bear. Let's see what we have next. Fierce meat-eating dinosaurs had long, sharp teeth and huge heads. Some had snouts like crocodiles, and most of them walked on two strong legs. They were fierce predators. The Spinosaurus. Head was 6 feet long with a narrow snout and straight teeth. Look at this dinosaur. The Glyptodon was a prehistoric mammal. It was a gentle plant eater. Their names are tongue twisters, so hard to say. Do you know what dinosaurs these are? Pterodactyls and dimorphodons were flying reptiles called Pterosaurs. They were not birds or bats or dinosaurs. They were not dinosaurs because they flew with their front limbs stretched out to their size. Pterodactyls were the largest flying mammals that ever lived. Dimorphodons had 4 limbs and strong claws. They were great climbers. Look at these flying dinosaurs or flying reptiles. Let's see what else we have. Ammonites were sea creatures that lived before and during the time of the dinosaurs. They were close relatives to today's octopuses and squids, but they lived inside a shell. This is a megalodons. They existed after the dinosaurs became extinct. They were about 3 times the size of the largest sharks in today's ocean. That is so huge! Look how sharp their teeth are. And they're very, very huge. Let's see them again. Thank you so much for helping me read the book today. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!